All right, so before I get into this video, I want to show you guys something. Bam, I got an overhead camera. Hope you guys can see everything that I do above. But going back to the main camera, I have a Xiaomi for the first time on this channel. It's the Mi 9T. I've actually never used a Xiaomi phone before. Finally getting back into smartphones on this channel because I'm really interested to see what you can get for $400 in an Android phone. Has a pop-up camera, all that good stuff, but let's get into the unboxing experience. Trust me, I can open this with my bare hands. Okay, finally getting the plastic off. Oh my goodness, that was so hard. So Xiaomi phones actually aren't too common in the US market. This is more in Europe and Asia. So wow, it's actually kind of hard to get this off. I should probably do like this so you guys can see. Oh my goodness, this is like glued on there. Okay, I'm liking the black. Oh, go ahead and get the plastic off. Easy. Wow, this is beautiful. And always have to do the quick smell. The smells not pleasant. Okay, so looking around the phone on the bottom, I'll show you guys on this camera. We have the SIM card tray, USB-C. I'm guessing this is the power button. It is red. And then we have the volume rocker. And then on the top, a headphone jack. And I'm not sure what this button is. This is a pretty, let me take this off, pretty beautiful device. Like, look at this finish on the back. Oops. Look at that. The blue on the side changes when it hits the light. I think that's pretty cool. But wow, here we are. This is the MIUI 10, I believe. Ooh, okay. So right off the bat, the vibration motor, or the haptic feedback in here is pretty strong. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so as you can see, the phone is finally booted up and you can see the full display is beautiful. But this is one trick that I've always wanted to try with a phone like this, and it's the pop-up camera. So let me go ahead and switch it. Oh, that's so cool. And then it goes away when you turn around. It has a noise too. Okay, something else that I just realized is hopefully the top camera can pick it up, but when this part comes out, an LED shows up, so. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. All right, so let's do a quick photo test for you guys. 48 megapixel. Wow. Ho ho. It has night mode. Listen, this might be the best value Android phone on the market right now, for sure. All right, let's do some portrait mode. Swap it around real quick. This is so cool. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's look at the photos real quick. It's so cool. All right, so portrait mode. Wow, looks pretty good. Like I say, I always look good. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good. Wait, don't come out. Okay, next photo. So this is the 48 megapixel. It looked better in the preview before I shot it, but I'd say for $400, this is actually still pretty good. It does blur out the background quite a bit, so that's nice. $400 for what you get in this camera is amazing. Oh, please stop. You're making me too excited. Okay, so one thing I want to do is I don't actually like these buttons on the bottom. I want the full display. So, oh, what's ambient display? Wow, look how cool this is. Hey, MIUI 10, I like it. Next, I want full display. No buttons on the bottom. This looks beautiful. Oh my goodness. For $400, I can't stop saying $400. Wow, this is just magnificent. Look at this. Look how much display there is. Wow. Oh my goodness. I might start crying, honestly, from how beautiful this looks. I feel like I'm flying over Greece. Look at this pool. Look at this view. I think I just found the phone for me. There's just so much display. This is so cool. Guys, look at Google. Look at Google. Look how much display there is. I can't stop saying this. I'm using my 10 to record this, so I can't show you guys the difference, but oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. What more can I say? This phone, $400, OnePlus. Oh, there's no wireless charging. Oh, I should try the charging. So I do believe with Xiaomi phones you do get some type of fast charging. So look at this animation. Look at that. How it's the little things. I can see the power going from my cable into my phone. So I wanted to try to see if there were any settings for facial unlock. We're back. What's up, pop-up camera? That was the quickest. Wow. Okay, so how this works is, first of all, this ambient display, guys, this is beautiful. But if you swipe up, it's like you're swiping up the camera. Then you look at it, automatically goes back down. This is the coolest phone I've ever held in my hands, by far. From that feature alone. Oh my goodness. I feel like a little kid right now. Okay, so there is another thing that I believe is on this phone for this pop-up camera. I know I'm talking about this pop-up camera a lot, but I think if you drop it, or if you simulate that you're dropping it, it'll go back in, so. What is this engineering? I don't know how long this video is going to be, because honestly, I'm just staring at this phone for a very long time, because it's just, how could you not? It's beautiful. And the light, the fit in the hand. Just the smell. Just the smell is the only thing that's lacking for me now. I gotta do it again. You know who I sound like when I do that? I sound like Toad from Mario. Okay, so this unboxing needs to wrap up. But this is the Xiaomi Mi 9T, and I've got to say that this is a cool device. So far, unboxing experience, honeymoon phase. I got to use it for a couple more days, see what it's like every day. But man, I'm already about to start crying because I already know the beautiful memories I'm gonna have with this phone for the next couple days. But wow, Xiaomi, you have impressed me. I really do hope that your devices become more common in the US, because this feature is the coolest thing. Oh wow, you guys can see my setup. See how simple it is? This is the coolest feature in a phone I have seen. I don't know. I just need to end this video. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see my gotta have it review of this phone coming up on the channel. Leave a like if you did enjoy the video. Comment if you want to talk to me. I'll try to reply to you. And as always, guys, much love. But before I leave, ooh, I almost showed you guys my passcode. I wasn't even looking at the phone. I'm not even looking at the phone and it unlocked my face. Xiaomi 9T, I need to sign off. Beautiful phone. I'm gonna be in love for the next 3 days with this phone. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Much love.